Hi guys, so today we are going to be doing a little bit of unboxing. Okay, I gotta go grab a knife, but it's exciting. I think you'll like it. Okay, any guesses? I wanted to get one of these for ages. Any last guesses before I pick it out? A drone! Very excited. We'll get some better footage now. And I won't have to borrow others. Or someone's airplane. Here it is. He's so little. It's good. Because we need to be able to take it places without it being bulky. Here it is. Ooh, it's flashing. Maybe I'm supposed to take those ones out first. Maybe I should read the instructions. I am known to break some things, so instructions are a good idea for me. So got extra little flying thingies, a screwdriver, it connected to your phone. Don't know if you can see that. Anyway, connects to your phone. Okay, what's in here? Guesses is the instructions menu, what I was looking for, and the little controller. Okay, here we go. It's probably gonna fast forward, so I won't do any more talking. I figured it out. Okay, my whoa, it's like a potty. My phone is going flat, so I might not get all of it, but I will definitely update you guys if it does go flat. So put that over there to do some flashing. Yay, so excited. Okay, quick start guide. Okay, so I have to download the app. So I'll be back. Oh, but this says it comes off push, pull. Anyway, I'm gonna download the app and then I'll be back and you'll get some good footage because this thing is supposed to have good footage. So very excited, but yes, I can't wait.
in case you couldn't tell, I was very excited to get a drone. This is just a preview of some of the footage I get, but I'm releasing a video, bit different to my Toolers Travels type of videos, of renovation and farm life, I guess you could call it. So make sure you watch that. That's got some super cool drone footage on it, like this one. Just learning how to use it still, but I tell you, it definitely gets better. So like and subscribe. Bye.